Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by setting measurable conditions. Place a launch monitor 1020 YD behind, confirm it reads carry and total distance. Use a new ball and tee so results aren't skewed, and set tee height roughly 1/2 ball above the club face for a consistent strike. Once ready, take a controlled warm-up of 8-10 swings, then perform 6 tracked drives. Record swing speed, launch angle, carry, and total. These baseline numbers tell you where gains are possible and why each factor matters. Once you have baseline data, focus on launch conditions and efficient mechanics. You want higher clubhead speed paired with an optimal launch angle, typically around 10-14 degrees, and reduced spin to maximize roll. The launch monitor shows both so you can iterate. Train weight transfer and hip rotation drills to square the face at impact and improve smash factor. Make measured changes. Adjust tee height, ball position, and your takeaway. Then retest 6 swings so you can see exactly how each tweak changes carry. To finalize, perform 3 sets of 6 drives and use the median carry as your reliable driver distance. If your launch monitor shows your speed limited, add speed training. If launch/spin are off, tweak loft or shaft flex and retest. Make small, single-variable changes between sets so cause and effect are clear. Once satisfied, record your numbers and a short checklist of setup habits to repeat. Troubleshooting tip: if distances vary widely, check tee height and impact location first. Off-center hits ruin numbers more than any other factor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.